So our next task is going to be to count down. We've been able to count up by using the start value, end value and step value. So that will count up. How can we count down? Okay, well here's a clue. We need to change the values in the brackets. So have a think to yourself, what's going to be the start value if we're counting down? Let's say we're counting down from 10 to 0. So what would be the start value? What would be the value we want to end at, the middle value here? And what's the step value? What do we want to go up or down with? So I'm just going to get you to pause the video here, have a little play, and then the answer will be once you unpause the video. So if you can pause the video in 3, 2, 1 now and give it a go. So here's how you do this. Now the step value we need to be -1 because we're going down instead of up. Okay. Now a lot of people make this mistake where they figure out we need to go down but they don't change these two values. So if that happens, nothing happens when you run the code. And this is because we're starting at 1, we're counting up to 10, but we're going down each time by 1. So you obviously can't count down to 10. So these two numbers need to be swapped. So what we're saying is we're going to start at 10, we're going to count down to 1, and we're going to go down by 1 each time. Okay, now if I run this, you'll notice we'll need to change a couple of other things. So you can see it ends at 2. So how could we get it so it ends at 0? Okay, so think about what you'd have to do to this number here. All right, so try that out, and once you've got it working, have a look at the next video.